In the news today, residents of Yarmouth, Nova Scotia, are disappointed at the announcement of the cancellation of a new ferry service linking the province with the US.
Earlier this week, Nova Scotia Premier Darrell Dexter said he had found an ideal solution for the ferry service, combining tourism appeal and the vital link with the United States, just as construction was underway to prepare the marine terminals in Yarmouth for the newly refurbished Bluenose 2. Dexter has announced the service will not go forward.
Although the Bluenose has recently undergone extensive refurbishment, analysts with the Dexter government are admitting defeat. The numbers are too big. We just didn't think there were that many of them still in Nova Scotia.
A provincial spokesperson says the real issue here was not the length of the journey or the eco-efficiency of the Bluenose. Despite many efforts, it just seems there was no effective way to fit all of those Acadians aboard just one ship.
Ross Landry suggested that perhaps the ship could make numerous journeys.
Dexter said the departmental staff had overestimated the number of Acadians living in Alberta, and says that in order for the project to achieve its objectives, there would have to be a crossing every 2 days, an expense the province could only endeavor with the help of the federal government.
Stay tuned for our next story. The Department of National Defence issues tenders for the construction of 45 new schooners. We will have your reactions after the break.